Some technology is never going to take off. It's just been doomed from the beginning. Obvious one right now, because it's on everyone's mind, is VR. VR is never going to be mainstream. It might be a niche device. It might be something that gamers really like, but it's never going to be as ubiquitous as like a cell phone. You know, cell phones are an excellent technology because damn near everyone has them on you. You can communicate silently. You can communicate. It's a rectangle. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. You pick it up, you send a message, you can use your voice if you want to, pizza mode. That's why I like it, pizza mode. You can put little earbuds in, so you don't even have to be holding it, looking at it, and you're still interacting with it. But earbuds are tiny. You can barely see them. The goggles, the 2 pounds of metal goggles on your face is never going to be comfortable. Never. I wear glasses. Now, if you ever get into this size, they might make sense, but even then, it's still going to be niche. It's never going to be in the mainstream. It just gets in the way. You can't just put it away. VR doesn't make sense because it's one of those in-depth things, but people don't want in-depth things. They want convenient things. They want simple things. That's why having earbuds with Bluetooth are way more of an option than even the big over-the-ear ones. The big over-the-ear ones can sound a lot better. Earbuds, more convenient. They're really, I try to show you how tiny they are, but so tiny I forgot what I put it. These things, I mean, these are so small. I will put it in my pocket and forget it's there. But it's kind of always there. Another benefit of a cell phone is literally you can use it anywhere. You can use it while you're waiting in line. You can use it while you're laying in bed. You can use it on the bus. You can use it in the middle of a movie. I mean, don't do that, but you can. It's just never going to take off. Another technology that I think is doomed forever, there's no recourse, is self-driving cars. They really don't make sense. Like, what is the point of a self-driving car, really? You want something to go on a track and stay where it's going and never deviate from that track? That's called a train. We have those already, and they're excellent. So a self-driving car kind of defeats the purpose. We should be getting rid of self-driving cars and putting all the effort into trains and public transit and BRTs. Yes, that's where we should put the technology. It's just never going to happen. Never going to happen. We had a demo of a self-driving car in the 90s. Still doesn't work. It's terrible. Yeah, I know. You can buy it right now in your Tesla or whatever. And it's a niche thing again, but it's not the thing that everyday cars have. This doesn't make sense. You can't use it everywhere. A lot of those cars have trouble not hitting children. Okay, maybe Teslas. If you like this video, feel free to give it a like. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. And of course, you can always hit me up on the Patreon or the LibrePay or Randover. It's a rectangle.